in my life was worried about lynxes and watching at the top of the trees until my husband saw one. And then we found out that those big forest cats are often observing us, just sitting somewhere very high above us on the branches. So now, like once in a while, I tilt my head just in case to watch around. I am wearing so many layers, and today it was even minus 15 in the morning, and now I guess it's milder, of course, because it's in a late afternoon now. All day I was very strongly feeling a weird longing for expansion, and this expansion for me seems like mountains, very wild spaces, Scandinavia if we would be very particular, connecting with ancestors. And I've been feeling these strong waves of energy since my teenage years. When I was creating art, when I was singing or dancing, I would just feel suddenly this strong flow of like, whoa, something that I would even feel like I'm in another dimension somewhere. I felt scared that I wouldn't be able to feel like this here in my home. I felt scared today that maybe I'm dependent on those circumstances, Maybe I need to move, or maybe I need to change something. And with one part of myself, I feel that this is an illusion, because I was dreaming to move here so much in the first place, and I'm already here. And now it seems like maybe I need something even wider and bigger. But what if I should not be seeking for it from outside, but what if it is inside? What if all this magic is felt when I am expressing it outwards? And I know that it can be my maximalism, seeking for 100% of happiness always. And yesterday we had our friends visiting, and I believe that the universe itself was speaking through my friend's lips when she said that maybe it's okay to be satisfied with 80% in this life. Maybe it's much more calmer and satisfying to just see where the energy flows the easiest and trust and go with this flow. I heard from here that the ice is singing from the lake, so I'm quickly jumping into the car and going to the lake. Oh my god, I can hear it even from here. Let's try to go down there. Oh my god, that's so loud. And even though I know that the ice should be quite thick, I'm still a bit scared to go on it. I really know that the ice will definitely not break here because it's just a very shore and the ice is really thick, but it's so easy. But it's so easy to get scared when the ice cracks right underneath. Oh. That's the most intense singing ice I have ever heard. Ah! Ah! It seems like it's underneath me. Woo! Holy shit! Oh! I told my husband that I will come back after 2 hours or something, and now I guess it's like 4 hours that I'm out in the nature. I haven't eaten any lunch. I want to go to the toilet. And it's getting dark. I guess I'll be going now. But this is just crazy. I just asked this land to help me to connect to it instead of longing for something else. And I guess this is the sign that it heard me, because now I feel more than blessed. And there is this crazy cloud I will show you. Just look at the sunset. Yeah, I can hear like a little bit of cars in the background, but still it's just unbelievable. Oh my gosh, we have such a beautiful sunset now. I really need to run quickly outside to film it, although it's quite cold even in the house itself. Now let's go make some fire and maybe play a drum. Oh, right, and we finally have lots of snow! Yay! Oh. Winter is so much different with snow. And look, our little kitten is walking back and forth. And even though we have not made friends yet, but apparently he spends a lot of time in our property. And yeah, at least he made home with this place. wonder if my tea is not cold yet. I even have a little cup that I have from my dear Vanessa from Sweden. Woo! We have a strong wind. Wow. Don't search for it out there, my love. Magic is inside. Magic is inside. Don't search for it out there, my child. Don't search for it out there, my child. Magic is inside. Magic is inside. Don't search it out there. Don't search it out there. Magic is inside. Magic is inside. Don't search for it out there, my child. Don't search for it out there, my child. Don't search for it out there, my child. My child. At the moment I'm shivering, but not from cold. And I held an intention sitting tonight by this fire that sounded like this. Please show me, how can I feel and create magic with being the person I am, with doing what I do, and with being where I am. And then this came. Magic is inside. Don't search for it out there, my child. Wow, it even rhymes now when I said it out loud. Wow. Thank you, universe. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Creator. I will try my best to do that. Do not search for it out there.